October 17th. And they're all here. They're bigger than their mama. Isn't she beautiful? Hi. Look at the mama. She's so beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You did so good, Mom. So good at keeping all the babies. Look at the beautiful blue sky today. It is a perfect day. You kids want another treat, or are you leaving me? Eat and run? Let me get some pictures of my kids. Look, they're bigger than you almost, Mama. You looked so big when they were babies. How beautiful. Now y'all need a drink. Are they not the most precious little things? They got so big.